Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to create your very own fairy garden. Let me show you the materials you'll need. First, you'll need a teacup from any store, then a small wooden door you can paint on. Then you'll need some rocks from any size, then some paint. Next, you'll need some small toys and flowers you can pick up from a park. Lastly, you'll need some popsicle sticks. So first, I decided to pour in the dirt I picked up from a hill. Then I decided to smash it with some scissors. Then I used my popsicle sticks and cut off the tip of one of them and used the rest of the other one to create my fairy sign. Now you'll need your paint to paint the rocks you collected. Now I'm painting my fairy door, and it did get a bit messy, but that's okay. Now I'm painting the rest of my rocks. Now I'll be pouring in some extra dirt because it wasn't enough the first time, and make sure you have enough dirt. Now I'll be decorating my fairy garden. I will now be talking about what inspired me to create this fairy activity. It was based on a documentary called Fairy Tale, also known as Cottingley Fairies. It's about two little girls called Frances and Elsie who have taken 5 photographs of real fairies. It's really interesting and I really want you guys to watch it. And if you want, you can download it at sfpl.org or go online and search up Fairy Tale or Cottingley Fairies and a bunch of videos will pop up. You can also go to your local library and ask for the DVD there called Fairy Tale 2017. Another reason why I created this activity was to remind everyone to stay connected with nature and to stay creative and open-minded. I will now be showing you guys footage of my nature walk to Glen Park and a fairy door I found. Hey guys, thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!